Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. Hey y'all, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to give y'all a makeup tutorial on how I did my glitter cut crease look and a little review on this new foundation that I bought, the MORPHE Filter Effects Soft Focus Foundation. And with that being said, we're just gonna get into the video.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation, rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
Cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Trust from the distance. I think we should rule out the limit for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Leaving, you're just doing that to keep leaving. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. You keep falling apart. Oh. away. Passive with the things you say. Passing up on my own way. I can't let it out. No. Don't give my shit away. I know I've been away. Don't give my shit away. They just wanna fuck with you. Just they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Baby, don't be down. Don't be wrong. I ain't got no one at all. This penthouse view ain't as beautiful as you. One of my time, but I can make more for you. Oh, I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Been spray on my dime, looking all kinds of new. So you know what I like, what would you like to do? Tell me, I'm telling you. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my people straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my people straight. I know I've been away. Just trying to get my people straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my people straight, girl.
I would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it and I, we're like diamonds in the sky. You're a shooting star, I see, a vision of ecstasy. When you hold me, I'm alive. We're like diamonds in the sky. I knew that way, babe. Come one right away, oh right away. At first sight, I felt energy of sunrise. I saw the life inside you. Shine bright tonight, you and I. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. I knew alive. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Beautiful like diamonds in the sky. At first sight, I felt the energy of sunrise. I saw the life inside you. Shine bright tonight, you and
So now that I got my eyes done, before I finish the rest of my face, I'm gonna go ahead and do the review on my Morphe Filter Effects Soft Focus Foundation. So I got this from Ulta Beauty. It was $20. I got this in the shade Filter Rich 27. I don't know if you can see this. So this is the packaging. The bottle is really simple. It just say Morphe on it and the name of the foundation or whatever. So I already used these once. I just used it one time. Let me go and show y'all how this look on my face. Well, I'm gonna speed up that part. I'm gonna just show y'all that part. Then I'll do my review after that, okay? So now I got the foundation all over my face. I don't have anything bad to say about this foundation because I love it. It look like I got a filter on, like it make my face look real smooth. I love it more than my old foundation, which was the Fit Me NYX foundation, matte plus poreless. It was in shade 340. I don't know, I just like this one better. Both of these have a yellow undertone because that's my undertone on my face. If I was to get a red undertone, baby, no. But I'm gonna have to let this go because this is the truth, baby. This is the truth. I ain't trying to knock NYX though, but this got my heart. So yeah, it's very full coverage. You don't have to put a lot on for it to get on your face. Like really, I don't even want to do concealer. Like this is good, this is okay. So I'm going to finish my look. And that's all I gotta say for the review. Hey, this is the finished look.
I'm gonna rush from one more time. And I don't think it's going to be mad.
I got these from, well, I seen these on TikTok. I seen a video on these fake magnetic septum piercings. And I ordered these off Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. But anyways, this is the finished look. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.